Team Money, Green Tooth.
What up, Blow
It's D Nice in the booth.
Yeah, I'm in the booth, nigga.
Vegas Dave, I see you.
I see you,
Blow P,
Vegas
I see
Dave.
you. Let's get it. I ride for my niggas, dawg. I kill for my niggas.
I kill him.
I ride for my niggas, dawg. I get money with my niggas. We stay scheming. Niggas tryna fuck with it.
Nope.
I told them, fuck niggas. Man, I'm getting cash like I never seen.
Green.
I stay on bitches' ass like Vaseline.
Yeah.
I'm counting fucking green, man. I never seen this cash. I tell your girl, drop it low, girl, give me ass.
Twerk.
Now she fast. Now the bitch pass gas.
Nah.
Tell her hoe to get back like it's her last. Tryna get this fucking figures, tryna do shows. Tell these girls turn me on like HBO.
That's the TV.
I'm around the globe, now I'm a world star. Now your girl click it on, now I'm a world star. Now my YouTube nigga getting hella views. Tell your bitch nigga stop hating, get the news. See me on the show, getting hella paid. I'm in your car, in the condo, girl, I'm getting laid. Now I'm getting played, and now I'm fucking on. Now it's Team Money, man, that we never going off. We always stay on like a switch. These niggas acting like girls, they acting like some bitches. And I don't fuck with them, I keep my circle close. And if you fuck around, and I'm gonna tell it's tote with my niggas, my niggas. I ain't fucking with them. I tell these bitches if they love me, I ain't touching with them. And I ain't sleeping with them. And I ain't fucking with them. And if they hating on me, tell a girl, go and get them. I tell a fuck nigga hate me, a bitch nigga hate me. These hoes on my dick, now these girls wanna pay me. I put them on the street like they own Main Street. These girls on my dick, I tell them girls they some freaks. I'm blowing up the street, now I'm in the fucking booth. I'm killing shit, now I'm the truth. Killing it.
What's up, my nigga? Team Money checking in. Blow P, Green Tooth, Punishment Productions. Hey, what the fuck they want? On the real, nigga, don't know one when they see it, one in they face. Make you fucking spit in your face, smack you in the face. All the fucking time, yeah, I'm laughing up in your face. Everything, I keep it real, man, all the time. I keep it real, man, yeah, that's just me. Don't need to rhyme, nigga, listen to me. Speak, I fucking laugh at the way you think. You think, he's predictable, I don't think so. I'm unorthodox like the Jew. Make me fucking laugh, yeah, like gum. I'm a chew. Spit your ass out on the gram, stomp on you. Rhino on your ass, yeah, I fucking gore. Put your ass down, yeah, blood galore. You ain't fucking with me, boy, yeah, I'm colorful. Stupid fucking ugly on this picture, yeah, colorful. I'm the artist, and I'm the rapper. I'm the MC, the mic fucking checker, the under fucking taker. Tombstone your ass, choke slam your ass right down the hell like I'm Kane. I'm able also to do everything too. And what the fuck you talking about? Got tools. I'm talking about, yeah, my fucking arms long as fuck. Wrap your ass twice and the kinda arms. Squeeze your ass hard as fuck. What you want? They call me Kevin Durant, but I don't ball, son. On this fucking mic, that's how I do it. You stay scheming on me, I stay scheming through it. I'm too real, yeah, situations. You on that devil shit, yeah, that's so last year. What the fuck you talk about? On that fucking godly shit? Look down on you and then I forgive it quick. You laugh, nigga, yeah, I'm getting cash down. You just a small fry. Chris Brown, make me fucking laugh. Get down, look at me now. Goddamn, what he talking about? Turn it upside down. Type of nigga, smile, nigga. Team Money, Blow P, baby.